Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You should start by confirming what the service allows. Do not try to bypass login. Look for an official guest or anonymous mode and enable camera and microphone permissions. Once done, update your browser and clear stale cookies to avoid conflicts and choose a secure Wi-Fi network. Make sure to use private browsing if you want a temporary session, and remember these steps preserve privacy while staying within the platform's rules. Next, follow the platform's provided flow. Select the official guest or anonymous entry if available, and accept permission prompts for camera and microphone. If the site requires an account, consider creating a minimal account using an email you control. This keeps your identity limited while complying with terms. Once you have access, adjust privacy and notification settings, and test audio/video in the site's preview before connecting to others to ensure a smooth session. To finish, end the session and revoke camera and microphone permissions or clear site data in your browser to remove traces. If access fails or features are blocked, contact the platform's support or consult their help center rather than using unofficial workarounds. Make sure to avoid third-party hacks or circumvention tools. Those risk account bans and privacy breaches. Following official options protects you legally and technically while achieving the same practical outcome.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.